Namaste, I'm Dr. Dheeraj. Today I'm discussing about health benefits of curd, dahi. We all know it's a probiotic food. It's containing a lot of good bacteria, promote our digestion and intestinal gut health. It's containing a lot of minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium. It's around 100 grams of curd containing 83 milligrams of calcium. It promotes our bone health and teeth health. It's very good for our immunity and it reduces blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, help to reduce the blood pressure. And it's a rich source of vitamin B12. We all know vitamin B12 is very good for our nervous system and it's very good for our blood vessels. Rich source of vitamin B2, vitamin D. And if you have loose motion, you can have curd. Reduces the loose motion. And it's very good for our skin tone because it's containing lactic acid. So it's very good for our skin. And as per Ayurveda, regular use of curd is not recommended. It may be because of it containing a lot of energy, like calorie-rich food. Around 100 grams of curd containing 98 kilocalorie. So it's a rich source of energy. And if you don't have any physical activity, it may cause a lifestyle disorder containing fat also. And in the nighttime consumption of curd also not recommended. And if you have sore throat, acidity in the stomach, better to avoid curd. Daily half to 1 cup, around 50 gram to 100 gram curd you can have daily. It's very good for health.